I got two. Yep. Irwin Industrial Tools, a 12-inch GrooveLock Pliers. These are 12-inch size. Just by holding these are nice, good grip pliers. Good grip for gripping any pipe or twisting. Let's check it out. See if it shows. Good grip. Now, let's take it out of here and let's check it. Just looking at this, you can tell it has a nice good locking mechanism. It's nice, good thickening for the nice and grip, good grip. Nice and swift change for the jeans change sizing. It's actually better than the DeWalt's. Sad to say, but yes, these are much better quality than the DeWalt's pliers. The nice V-jaw design. You can see the head is much thicker. There's more groove positions to provide. And that's the vice grip from Irwin, 2-inch. I have the link in the description of where I got it, and see where you can check it out. Irwin Industrial Tools, 12-inch GrooveLock Pliers. Thanks for watching.